All right, mixed choir, we are working on our sight reading, so take out your sight reading. We're on number 5, exercise number 5. Follow along with us as we work on this together. And remember, you're gonna need to submit a picture of this when you are finished each day. Okay, so here we go, guys. Number 5. Now let's look at the very beginning. What do we have right here in our key signature? This symbol right here, what is that called? Raise your hand if you can tell me. Olivia?
A flat.
It is a flat, and so it tells us, since we have one flat right here in our key signature, what is it telling us that our key is? Raise your hand if you can tell me what key that is. Avery?
That means our key is in F.
That means the key is F. Very good, so we're gonna write F right up there at the top, okay? And the key tells us the name of the liner space that dough is gonna be on, yes? So what is the name of the liner space dough is gonna be on? F, because the key is F. It's telling us where to find, where on the staff we're gonna find dough. So we're gonna find dough on F. Okay, so which liner space is named F? Raise your hand if you can tell me. Which liner space on the staff is F? Monty? The first space, excellent. So here we go. This is gonna be where dough is. Now, today you can see our first note is not dough, is it?
Yeah.
So how are we gonna figure out what our first note is? Raise your hand if you think you know, Blake.
You have to, well, what is between fa and re?
Fa. What is between, how are you, but we know where dough is, right?
Yeah.
So how are we gonna figure out what this note is? If we know where dough is, can we just count up or down the scale to figure out what the first note is supposed to be?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so here we go.
Re to dough.
This one's dough.
Dough.
Ray would be on this line right here.
And then that
And
mystery one is me.
The mystery one is me, so go ahead and fill that in for me, guys.
And then you go next.
So we counted, we identified where dough was gonna be, and then we counted up from there to figure out what our first note is, okay? All right, so remember, you're gonna tell me, step up or down, and the next solfege syllable. Up or down, solfege syllable. Who can tell me what the next one is? Raise your hand. Blake.
Down re.
Down Ray, very good. Next. Avery?
Down fa. Down dough.
Down dough, very good. Next. Kaylee? Up Ray, very good. Up
I think
Ray.
we're all still kind of asleep.
I know it. It's okay. Okay, what's the next one?
Do that exercise.
Blake.
Up me.
Up me. Next. Quincy. This is me. What's the next one gonna be?
You can look over there. No.
Okay, I like that you said that. Let me tell you why that's not quite right. If I were moving down the staff, I would go down to Ray, but look, my note went from here and it moved higher on the staff. So I have to move higher on my solfege ladder. So what's higher than me on the solfege ladder? Yes, do you understand how we got that answer?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's fa. Next, Olivia? Up
And
so.
circle the half note.
We'll get to that, I promise, but you are exactly right. Okay, what's our next one gonna be, Matthew?
The next one is gonna stay the same.
Same, and what is the solfege?
Which one is that?
Anyway, what's the next one? Same what?
It's so.
So, very good. Next,
Maybe your phone was ringing.
next.
What's mine?
Let's stay focused, come on now. Ignore the phone. What's
Don't worry
next?
about the phone.
Kaylee, what's next? Shh. Which direction did I move? Down to fall, very good. Down, so I moved lower on my step, so I moved down to fa. Okay, next. Olivia,
Down me.
down me. So I went from fa, I moved lower on my staff to me. Blake,
Down re. Wait, no, sorry, up fa.
Up, fa. Okay, very good. So I went for mi, I moved higher on my staff. So what's a higher than mi? Do, re, mi, fa is higher than mi. Okay? Next, Quincy.
So.
If I were moving up, I would go to so, but which direction did I move? Did I go lower? No. Find fa. And what's right below fa?
Me.
Mi. So do you understand why this is moving down, Quincy?
Yeah.
You do, because it's going lower on the staff. You can see how it went from here and it moved down. Okay, so what's right below fa? Mi.
When it's all finished. Are we gonna play this when it's all finished?
We sing through it every day.
No,
Yeah.
I mean like the entire thing. How do you
Oh,
do
no,
it?
it's all different pieces.
Okay.
Okay, next one, Imani. Down Ray, very good. And everybody, what's the last one?
Do.
Down to do.
Do.
Very good. Now, we have half notes. So remember, on our sight reading, we know that a half note is not shaded in. A quarter note is shaded in. So we're going to go down here and we're going to identify all of our half notes, the notes that are not shaded in, and we're going to circle them. So our first one's right here in measure 2, yes?
Yeah.
On the so, where's the next one? Raise your hand if you can tell me. Matthew.
It's and
Do at the very end? Exactly. We can see that this is a half note. It is not shaded in, so that's going to get 2 beats, and we're going to circle that one as well. Excellent work. Okay, everybody stand up. Let's chant our way through it. Here we go. Actually, I'm going to leave this up here for our remote learners to kind of see. Let me focus that. There, maybe that'll make it a little easier for them to see. All right. So here we go. We're going to start on me today. So show me me. Me is kind of chest level. Okay, ready? Show me me so I know you're ready. You should have your sight reading in your hand. Go ahead and pick it up. I want you to get used to reading off of your music, okay? Here we go. Show me you're ready. 1 and 2 and chanting ready, go. Mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do. Excellent, I want to do that one more time. Remember, what are we starting on today?
Me.
Is that different than what we've been starting on?
Yes.
We've been starting for days and days on do.
Yeah.
Today it's changing on us, okay? So be ready for that. Ready? Starts on me. Chant through it again. Ready? 1 and 2 and chanting again. Mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do. Excellent job. Okay, now we're going to sing through it. And who can remind me, what do we always sing? Right?
The broken chord.
The broken chord. And let's one more time. Let's tell me. Quincy, you should be on your feet, bud. What is our broken chord, Miss Avery?
So. Don't. So.
No.
I
know
help.
what-
I'll help her.
Do.
I never got the
Me.
Me so me do.
No, let her figure it out.
Do.
Thank you, Matthew. He even sung it for us. All right, here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's all sing the broken chord together. All right. You can see the broken chord there on the screen. I'm going to turn the camera toward. And here we go. Ready? And sing. Do, re. Oh, we gotta have hand signs. Gotta have hand signs on everything when we sight read, right? Here we go. right, now I want everybody to look at measure 3. Look at measure 3. So it goes so, fa, mi, and what do we expect that last note of measure 3 to do?
Right.
You expect it to be re, but it tricks us and it goes back up to what? Fa. So we got to be ready for that little trick that's put in there on purpose to kind of trick you. All right, so let's do it one more time, and when we get to the end of measure 3, remember it's got to pop back up to fa, and then we step all the way down to do, okay? So here we go, let's do it again. Mi, pick up your sight reading. Ready? Hand signs, remember, music goes on one side so that I can always see your hand signs, okay? Here we go, ready? Sing your first pitch, mi. Ready? Mi, 2, ready, post your hand signs. Mi, re, do, re, mi, fa. After that, so, fa. Here comes fa, mi, re, do. Excellent work, guys. You can put that away. Goodbye, mixed choir.